twins, boys and girls, we present you a song that we want to sing to you, and it's called Jingle Bells, and then we'll listen to a family song. A one, a two, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in the one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, dashing through the hills in a one-horse open way. And it is a 1, 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! And now we're going to sing our second song, which is about a family. I have 4 people in my family. One is a daddy, and one is a mommy, and one is a sister and a brother. They always go together in one place at a time, and then they go back home. And sometimes they eat, sometimes they don't. Sometimes they watch movies on Friday, but mostly they do it almost all the time. But I love my family no matter what they do.